Hey sweet babies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you like fragrance, makeup, skincare, real people, and real talk, definitely subscribe to my channel. So today we're going to kick off our sip and sniff series. So this is where I sniff fragrances, decants, and things like that while we sip on a little something. So I have a little pineapple moscato here. So you make sure you grab your wine, tea, coffee, whatever you need to relax you while we sniff these fragrances. I think this is going to be a fun series because I get decants from Frag Friends. I get my decants from Royalty Scents and other places so I can try fragrances before I buy them because we hate them bad buying buys for sure. And I also get discovery kits from companies. So today we're going to try a discovery kit from Commodity. So this one is their Scent Space, the personal one. So this is for my girls that are looking for fragrances that they want to wear to work, or you just like softer scents. You don't want something that's too strong that's going to give you a headache. So these are fragrances that are going to sit more close to you, and you know, the people that are really close to you will be able to smell it. It's not filling up a room or nothing like that. So that's what we're going to do with these. Now I am in no way, shape, or form obligated to say that I like these fragrances. I have not smelled them before, so I'm ready to try them with you guys. So let me take a little sip because you know I'm gonna be honest, okay? But they did send me this to let you guys know that they're running a Valentine's Day special, so you'll get a free personal Scent Space discovery set with any purchase of $135 or more. So we are going to try these out, and I'm going to let you guys know what is the tea. So this is how the kit comes, like this, and you get this little pamphlet right here at the top, and it has all of the fragrances in there. So we've got book, gold, velvet, moss, paper, and milk. So it tells you all about these fragrances. It has the notes and everything like that. So this should be good. So as you guys know, with Commodity, they have the 3 different scent spaces. They have the personal, which is, like I said, the ones that are more close to you. They have the expressive, which, you know, has a little bit more projection. People that are, you know, sitting away from you can still smell you. And then they have the bold, which is a room filler. So the kit also has these test strips for each fragrance. So we're going to go ahead and get ready and test these out. So let me just tear these off and get to smelling. Do you guys have any fragrances from Commodity that you recommend, that you like, that you definitely want to try? Let me know. I do have Milk Expressive, which I love. I have Gold Expressive, which I love. I want to get Milk Bold, and I want to try Velvet Expressive and Bold as well. But I've never really been into the personal space, but now I'm like, I want to try them because y'all know I do buy fragrances that are just for like bedtime and chilling in the house. So let's see how these work. So I already have a feeling I'm going to like milk. So that one is last anyway. So we're just going to leave that for last. So the first one is Book. So let's give Book a try. Okay, I have the test strip that says Book. And let's go ahead and smell these. So the notes for Book, top notes are black tea and bergamot. Mid notes are skin musk and cedarwood. And the base notes is sandalwood. Okay, this one doesn't smell like I thought it was gonna smell. It actually smells a little better. It smelled better in the air than it does on paper. I really don't like test strips all that much. I really can't get the full effect of the fragrance on the test strips, but I'm gonna use them anyway. Like, I like spraying it in the air or on my skin, and oh shit, that almost got my wine, child. Okay, this smells better than I thought it would. I thought this was gonna give me like books, like how Whispers in the Library kind of gives you that book smell, like when you open a book. This is better. It's actually a little creamy, a little bit. Must be from sandalwood. And it actually smells like clean. I guess that's from the skin accord. It doesn't have any citrusy feel to it or smell like at all. So the bergamot is not prominent. And the black tea is like a smooth black tea. It's kind of like Gris Charnel a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna leave that there and let that one dry down. That's cute. I don't know why it reminds me of Gris Charnel. Is it because of the black tea? Let me take another sip of this, honey. We can't be sniffing and not sipping, okay? Take a drink, girl. Next, we're gonna do Gold. Now, I do have Gold Expressive, so I'll probably like this. And the notes for this are first ISO-E Super, then it's amber and sandalwood, and the base is vanilla. And I should have known that this was gonna have vanilla in it because the other one does. So let's check this out. It smells like a lighter version of the Expressive. So the Expressive one, it smells kind of, it gives me kind of the vibe of Gypsy Water. So if you have Gypsy Water and you like that, they're kind of in the same realm. This one is one of those kind of light all year round vanillas, kind of like that. Okay, I don't know if it has the juniper in it like the other one, but I mean, it's kind of smells just the same, just a little lighter. Okay, I mean, I like this one. I already have Gold Expressive, so I should have known I would like that. Now let's try Velvet. So the notes for Velvet, the top note is vanilla flower, rose petals, then skin musk, then clove buds. I like cloves, so this might have a little spiciness to it, so I'm interested to see that. And y'all know I like vanilla and rose, so let's see. Girl, this is giving like a slight little, the clove is giving me kind of by the fireplace. It's got a little smokiness to it. I smelled Velvet Bold before, but this one is definitely a lighter, more subdued version of that. This is kind of giving by the fireplace. Not as smoky though, I can definitely say that. Okay, this is cute. This is cute. I kind of like this. Okay, so far we doing pretty good. Now this one is Paper, and I smelled, did I smell this one? I might have smelled this one before. And ooh, I don't know about this one. Let's see. Top notes bergamot, ISO E Super. Middle note of petitgrain, and the base note is skin musk. This should be interesting. Okay, I thought this was about to be a woody hot mess, but it's actually kind of citrusy and woody. Definitely getting the bergamot in here straight off the top because it's giving it that citrusy vibe. And the skin musk part makes it kind of clean smelling. Okay, this is not bad because I smelled Moss Bold and was like, that was giving woods and sticks and dirt, child. That one was not for me. I'm not mad at this. I thought this was going to be bad, but it's actually not, and I'm surprised. Let me spray this one on my skin because I am actually surprised about how this one smells. This would be cute for the spring and summer. I'm definitely surprised because I thought I was about to hate this, but I don't hate it. Okay, last but not least, we're going to spray Milk, and I got a feeling I'm going to love this one anyway. So, but we're going to spray it. We're going to spray it. I do like this. It smells like the Milk Expressive, but it is a little bit more subdued. It's creamy, soft, not as woody as the Expressive version, but I still get some woodiness in there. So for Milk, the top notes are cashmere woods and skin musk, amber and white cedar wood in the middle, and then mahogany wood in the base. But it's not as woody as the Expressive version, but you do still get the hint of that woodiness. I like this one too. I kind of knew I was gonna like this one. These are actually blended really nice. So y'all know I was gonna love Milk because I talk about Milk all the time, so I'm not even gonna put Milk in the running, but I'm gonna pick my top 3 that I think I would like to purchase. So like I said, Milk is not in the running. Y'all already know I love that. If you like something sweet, lactonic, marshmallowy with a little woodiness, then go for Milk. We'll just say that. Now for me, my top 3 are Book, Velvet, and Moss, surprisingly. So if you like something with a light citrus vibe, a little bit earthy, that clean kind of out the shower, this is something that would be nice for spring and summer. It's light and the citrus isn't too much, the earthiness isn't too much, because if it's too earthy, then I ain't gonna like it. So Moss will be good for that if you're that girl. Velvet is sweet, a little spicy from the cloves, slightly smoky. Like I said, it's giving me like a toned down version of By the Fireplace, and I'm really, really liking this. That smells really good. And then my third choice, and I didn't put these in any order, is Book. I actually really like Book. Yeah, it gives me like Gris Charnel vibes. I don't know why or how, but it definitely does. The black tea, the sandalwood, the skin musk is making it like kind of creamy like. And I guess that black tea is giving me the Gris Charnel vibe. It doesn't say it has anything spicy in here like cardamom or cloves or anything, but I get a little bit of spice from it. So if you are a girl that likes more personal fragrances that sit closer to the skin, just in your scent bubble, you don't like nothing too loud, this is definitely something you should try. You should definitely try this Scent Space kit and take advantage of the sale because you're going to get it free if you spend $135. And a full bottle is $135. So, you know, you buy a full bottle, you get this whole Scent Space free. And yeah, this is so, so good. And you don't have to buy a personal full size bottle. You can buy expressive, you can buy bold, you can buy whatever you want, but you can get this personal scent space kit for free. So I think that's a really good deal, and it gives you the chance to, you know, go ahead and test these out. So you guys let me know which one of these fragrances sounded like it was your vibe, you know, because we all kind of have those moments where we want something that's a little more personal. And I think I found a few that I really do like and want to add to my collection. So I have everything for the sale linked down in the description box. And I have a 10% off coupon code if you want to use that. That'll be down there too. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and of course subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.